The next one topic is going to discuss about regarding what the anaerobic respiration. What are the definitions of anaerobic respiration commonly called as? Certain organism can survive without oxygen. Which organism that can be survive in that absence of oxygen, that organism is commonly called as, such a respiration is commonly called as anaerobic respiration. So I am already indicating to you, most of the organism which can be utilize the oxidation to be survive, but some of the organism can be survive in the absence of oxygen. That is commonly called as anaerobic respiration. What are the good examples of regarding what anaerobic respiration commonly called as? Bacteria and yeast. These are the examples of commonly called as anaerobic respiration. In anaerobic condition, glucose is not completely oxidized, which is partially degraded. So in anaerobic respiration, there can be involving only one process commonly called as glycyrrhizal. So what are the overall reactions of anaerobic respiration commonly called as? What are the overall reactions of regarding anaerobic respiration called? Glucose C6, H12, O6 for oxidations of NAD plus. The glucose produce two molecules of pyruvic acid C3, H4, O3 reduction common called as 2 NADH2. They called pyruvic acid. They called glucose. In anaerobic condition, glucose is partially degraded. Then the glucose is split into two molecules of regarding what the pyruvic acid. That the pyruvic acid further converted into either ethyl alcohol and lactic acid. For formations of ethyl alcohol and lactic acid, for involvement of depending on the organism. This is commonly called as anaerobic respiration. The next will go on. What is the respiratory quotient? What is the definition of respiration quotient mean? Volume of carbon dioxide evolved and volume of oxygen is consumed during respiration. That values is depends upon the respiratory substrate. You know, I have already indicated to respiratory substrates: carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Each of these is not going to produce same value of according to respiratory quotient. So what is the meaning definition? Volume of carbon dioxide evolved and the volume of oxygen is consumed during the process of respiration. That values is depends upon the rate of respiratory substrates. Okay. What are the respiration quotient that can be occur? That can be discussing in some organism. The first of all is commonly called as respiratory quotient in carbohydrates. What are the equations commonly called as? C6H12O6 and 6 molecules of oxygen gives produce 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water along with energy is released. So this is commonly called as glucose. What is the respiratory quotient in glucose? What is that? Volume of carbon dioxide is evolved. The volume of carbon dioxide is commonly called as 6 molecules. Volume of regarding what the oxygen is how much? 6 molecules of oxygen. So total value is commonly called as 1. So that's a commonly called as the respiration question regarding what the glucose is 1. Sometimes it will be commonly called as it is inert. Is a new point of view. What is the respiration quotient regarding what the carbohydrates or what is the respiration quotient glucose is 1. Seventh thing. Respiratory quotient in organic acids. Which organic acid to be respiration quotient you find it to be here means malic acid. What is malic acid? C4, H6, O5, then 3 molecules of oxygen gives produce 4 molecules of carbon dioxide and 3 molecules of water along with the energy releasing. These are called malic acids. What is the respiratory quotient in malic acids? So what is that? 4 molecules of carbon dioxide, 3 molecules of oxygen. So that value is commonly called as 1.33. It's a commonly called as more than 1. So new point of view, what is the respiration quotient regarding what organic acid like this malic acid? Sometimes the option to be given 1, more than 1, less than 1 to be given you. So what is the real or definition answer is commonly called as more than 1 because 1.33. The third one, respiratory quotient in fatty acids. Which as fatty acid to discuss regarding respiration quotient is commonly called as palmitic acid. C16, H32, O11. How much of oxygen to commonly called as 11 molecules of oxygen to produce formations of sucrose, namely C12, H22, O11 along with 4 molecules of carbon dioxide and 5 molecules of water along with the energy is releasing. What is the respiratory quotient in? This is commonly called as palmitic acid. So respiration quotient in palmitic acid is 4 molecules of carbon dioxide, then 11 molecules of oxygen. So the value is commonly called as 0.36. That's a called less than 1. The last one is commonly called as in anaerobic respiration. So during anaerobic condition, oxygen is not consumed, but evaluations of carbon dioxide takes place. What are the overall reactions commonly called as? C6H12O6. So without regarding what oxygen, carbon dioxide should be evaluated. Is a glucose. So the glucose produce 2C2H5OH plus 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. So what is that? Respiratory quotient in anaerobic respiration two molecules of carbon dioxide and 0 molecules of oxygen. So the value is commonly called as infinitive. So that is a phenomenon. So your glucose is 1, organic acid, malic acid is more than 1, organic, then respiration quotient regarding what the fatty acid like this palmitic acid is less than 1. Respiration quotient anaerobic condition is commonly called as what? Infinitive. Why means during anaerobic condition, evaluations of carbon dioxide takes place without oxygens. Yes. The next title is called compensation point. At a given time, limited carbon dioxide supply and non-limiting light. At a given time, the photosynthetic rate is equal to respiration. The respiration will include both dark respiration as well as light respiration. What are the definitions of regarding what a compensation point is called? The concentrations of carbon dioxide at which photosynthesis just to compensate the respiration is commonly called as compensation point. During at the time of photosynthesis, how much amount of carbon dioxide is uptaken? Such a carbon dioxide which is releasing during respiration. So the net gain is commonly called as what? 0. That phenomena is commonly called as compensation point. Now next we going on to discussing fermentation. The word fermentation is literally means chemical changes. Accompanied with effervescence. What are the definitions of fermentation is commonly called as? During anaerobic condition, glucose molecule is breakdown which releasing carbon dioxide as well as regarding water ethyl alcohol. Such a type of respiration is called fermentation. Fermentation is carried by yeast cell. What are the phenomenon of yeast is commonly called as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. So by the influence of fermentation, whichever influence commonly called as yeast. By influence of yeast, glucose molecule is break down, which releasing carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol. What is the speciality of fermentation is commonly called as productions of alcohol from alcoholic beverages. What are the overall reactions of regarding what fermentation is called? Glucose. C6H12O6. The presence of regarding what? Yeast. Are also called zymase. The yeast is producing enzyme is called zymase to produce glucose. 2CH3 CH2OH along with two molecules of regarding what the carbon dioxide. This is called ethyl alcohol. Depending on the productions of regarding component, the fermentation can be classified regarding by two types, namely called as first one, alcoholic fermentation. Acetic acid fermentation. What are called alcoholic fermentation? For influence of glucose by the enzyme of regarding what is zymase, productions of ethyl alcohol 2CH3CHOH plus two molecules of regarding what carbon dioxide plus NH. For productions of ethyl alcohol, these are commonly called as alcoholic fermentation. The second one is commonly called as lactic acid fermentation. What is the second one called what that? Lactic acid fermentation. How can you produce regarding what lactic acid? By influence of regarding what organism. But the glucose is same compound. What that? C6H12O6. By influence of bacteria is commonly called as Bacillus acidilacti. Productions of acetic acid, namely 2CH3CHOOH COOH is called acetic acid. Sorry, lactic acid. Along with regarding what energy is releasing. So, depending on the productions of component, the fermentation can be classified to regarding what alcoholic fermentation and regarding what lactic acid fermentation. Which organism influence by means of yeast, by the help of enzyme zymase produce regarding ethyl alcohol, ethanol fermentation or regarding what alcoholic fermentation. By influence of bacteria commonly called as Bacillus acidilacti to produce regarding lactic acid means lactic acid fermentation. Okay. Next one to be called to discussing about various compound of regarding what respiration. Now we are discussing about regarding what are the factors which are affecting the rate of regarding respiration. Yes, to call factors affecting respiration. What are the factors which influence affect the rate of respiration is called? First one, temperature. So temperature, one of the main factor it's affect regarding what the rate of temperature, because the optimum temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. That is normal. The plants are carried out regarding what? Usual rate of regarding what? Respiration. If less than 0 degrees Celsius regarding what temperature is available means the level it responsible commonly called as degrees the rate of respiration. Some plant it must be respire minus 20 degrees Celsius. That plant is commonly called as dormant plants. This is the first factor. Second factor is light. Comparing temperature, light is also one of the prominent factor affect the rate of respiration. If increase the rate of light is increase the rate of photosynthesis. But high concentrations of respiratory substrate increase the rate of photosynthesis. Increase the rate of respiration. If the level of respiratory substrate is available lesser in amount means that amount is responsible for decrease the rate of respiration. This is the second factor. Can I go to regarding what third factor is commonly called as carbon dioxide condensation. Carbon dioxide concentration. The current level of atmospheric carbon dioxide condensation is commonly called 500 ppm. What is the ppm? Parts per million. If the carbon dioxide concentration which is at present above the 500 ppm, if it is available in this environment, that's a responsible commonly called as reduce the rate of respiration. The unusual level presence of carbon dioxide, it is above the carbon atmosphere means, is not only affect the rate of respiration, it's also affect seed germination. As well as affect regarding our growth rate. This is the third factor. Fourth one is called oxygen. So comparing temperature, light and atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration, oxygen also one of the prominent factor affect the rate of regarding water respiration. How means? Gradual increasing and gradual decreasing of regarding water oxygen it is not affect the rate of photosynthesis, not affect the rate of regarding respiration. But that level of oxygen, if it is available 1.96 percentage mean, aerobic plants became its term to regarding what the anaerobic plants. So gradual increasing, gradual decreasing, it will not affect the rate of regarding respiration, but the oxygen level, it can be available lesser in level, or it will be 1.96 percentage available in the atmosphere. Mean the aerobic plant, it's usually conducted regarding but the anaerobic plants. Then after oxygen to chromatic orders, mineral salt. What are the salts to be held to proper respiration chromatic orders? One is called lithium. Second is called calcium. Third one is called magnesium. These elements is properly involved to go in proper role of regarding water respiration. If this element is not available in this soil means, usually that can affect regarding what rate of respiration. The next one factor is called respiratory substrate. What is the respiratory substrate? Carbohydrate, protein and fat. That amount, how it can represent that concentration? If the concentration of respiratory substrate is available to be more, increase the rate of regarding what respiration. If the storage of respiratory substrate is stored it lesser in the level means affect the rate of respiration. This is called amount of respiratory substrates. Then age. If the plants are going to be old or the leaves are turned to pale yellow in color, that plant loss of regarding what the chlorophyll. If the chlorophyll loss means the kinds of plant cannot be carried out a proper regarding water respiration. So senescence plants or senescence of leaf decrease the rate of respiration. Then protoplasmic amount. So protoplasm is nothing but all organelle include regarding what the membrane except regarding what is cell wall. If the cell contain more amount of protoplasm, increase the rate of respiration. In addition, meristematic cell is high rate of respiration than mature cell. So comparing mature cell, which cell is responsible the rate of respiration it carry out regarding high mean commonly called as meristematic cell. Why means the word meristem is mean commonly called as divisible. So undergo divide. So which cells are undergo divide? That means increasing mass of cell. So new cells are continuously forming. The new cells are where it can be forming. That cell usually increase the rate of regarding water respiration. But The cells are attaining aging, or the cells are going to regarding what old cell. Old cell cannot perform regarding what a proper rate of respiration. The last one. Pollutants. Which gaseous pollutants is a highly affected rate of respiration is commonly called as sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxides, and ozone. Is that need point of view? What are the gaseous pollutants affect the rate of regarding what respiration? Sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxides, and ozones. The kinds of pollutant it's highly available to the environment means what happen mean increase the rate of regarding what pH. pH mean potential of hydrogen ion concentration. If sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxide, ozone if it is available, it's high in the atmosphere. Usually the plant responsible for increase the rate of regarding what pH. When increase the pH level mean the presence of the pH is completely affect regarding what ETC. What is ETC? Electron transport chain. These are the all components commonly called as factors affecting respirations.